How to make Pinterest account private. Hello friends, welcome back to Tech2. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily make Pinterest account private. Okay, to make Pinterest account private, firstly open up Pinterest application. Now at the bottom tap of your profile icon. Now tap on these three horizontal lines. Tap on settings. Tap on profile visibility. Now toggle the switch on to private your profile of Pinterest. Toggle this on. Okay, when your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profiles, pins, boards, followers, and following list. Alright, that's how you make Pinterest account private. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, so please like, share, subscribe to Texo 2.